In this lesson, we are moving beyond text-based chatbots to look at how AI can support visual creation and design. Many teachers already use AI-powered visual tools, sometimes without realizing it. This video will help you understand what kinds of tools exist and how they can support instruction. Visuals are not just decoration. They help students understand complex ideas, organize information, and stay engaged. Clear visuals can lower cognitive load, support English learners, and make content more accessible for all students. Teachers often know what they want to show, but not how to design it efficiently. Creating diagrams, slides, or posters can be time-consuming, especially when you need multiple versions for different learners. AI doesn't replace teacher judgment or creativity. Instead, it acts as a design assistant, helping you generate first drafts, improve clarity, and iterate faster so you can focus on teaching. Many common platforms already use AI behind the scenes. Teachers may be already using image-based AI without labeling it as AI, which is why understanding categories is much more useful than memorizing tool names. Image generation tools can create visuals from text descriptions. These are best used for abstract concepts, diagrams, or symbolic imagery, not for realistic depictions of real people or classrooms. These tools help organize content visually. For teachers, this can mean better slides, clearer handouts, or more readable classroom materials without needing graphic design expertise. Editing tools help refine visuals you already have. This can be especially helpful for making materials more accessible or classroom ready. AI visual tools are increasingly embedded in everyday software. Teachers don't need to seek out experimental platforms to benefit. Many trusted tools already include AI-assisted design features. The most effective uses of visual AI are instructional. Think about clarity, accessibility, and learning goals, not flashy graphics. Responsible use matters. Teachers should avoid personal data, verify accuracy, and always review AI-generated visuals before sharing with students. Visual AI works best when teachers treat it as a helper, not an authority. The real skill is knowing how to guide, refine, and evaluate what AI produces. In the next activity, you'll try these ideas for yourself, experimenting with visual AI tools in a practical, classroom-focused way.